Okay, for this last part of the Nets Note packet, it's just how to draw a net. And there's basically two different strategies you can use. One I call, these are just made up names that I came up with. I call the flower method. It's where you take one of the bases and then you peel all the sides off of it like flower petals. And then you just pick one of those and put the other base on one of those flower petals, attach it to one of those. The other method you'll see I called the rollout method. It's where you take the maybe one of the seams and it's like you cut along that seam with a pair of scissors, and then you unrolled it, you unfurled it. And so it doesn't really matter where you attach the bases. You could attach them both to the same side or to two different sides. But it's just a different way of doing it. Okay, so here it says draw a net for each figure and label the net with its dimensions. And so for this first one, I'm going to use the rollout method. Why not? And so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the dimensions on these suckers are 2 and 4. And you get the idea. We're not going to do them all here. And then it's 2 all the way around the hexagon. Okay. So that's that one. On this part B here, I'm going to do the flower petal method just because I want to, not because there's necessarily a reason or rhyme to do either method. You can just at any point arbitrarily choose. So I'm just taking all these lateral sides, all these triangle sides, and making them like flower petals. And they're all 13, and then these are all 5. Okay, and then this last one, you've got kind of, looks like a pizza box. Let's see, I'm gonna do, here's gonna be my bottom base, and then I'm gonna do my flaps around the sides. This is where it would like fold up on the sides. And then I'm gonna do my top flap off of this one. So it's kind of a combination of the rollout. We'll call this rollout / flower method. Okay, and so it's your homework's not, it's not really a worksheet, it's really a Google form. But if you'll just answer those questions in the Google form, and I'll see you next class. Bye guys.